Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm 2K Sai. I'm Khushi and in today's video I'm going to discuss on the topic that how to overcome stage fear. Now many of us are speaking in the assemblies. हमें स्कूल की असेंबली में बोला जाता है that tomorrow you have to say the news. हम पहले ही हो जाते हैं no ma'am please I'm not going to do that. Please ma'am I'm not really going to do that. Why? If you are a good speaker then you should speak on the stage, right? हम सब में बहुत ज़्यादा stage fear होता है. So in this video we will see that how to overcome that stage fear. So first of all, whenever you are provided with the work that you have to do this, you have to present this in the assembly, you have to take part in the elocutions or anything like speeches, anything like that, just say yes. Try to say yes. If you are just going to say no, तो हमें कभी opportunity नहीं मिलेगी तो हम stage fear को overcome कैसे करेंगे. Next point, never think that there are different types of people sitting in front of you or there are strangers sitting in front of you. हमें ये नहीं सोचना है कि हमारे आगे कितने लोग बैठे हैं. हमें बस ये सोचना है मैं तो अकेली हूँ. I'm going to practice in front of the mirror and I'm going to kill it. I'm going to perform the best. So just do not think about anyone else sitting in front of you. हमें जो भी हमारे आगे बैठे हैं उनमें से किसी के बारे में नहीं सोचना है. थर्ड पॉइंट, डू नॉट थिंक कि अगर मेरे से ये वर्ड में मिस्टेक हो गई, अगर मैं ये लाइन गलत बोल दिया तो सामने बैठे वाले लोग क्या सोचेंगे. यू नो, everyone is busy in their life nowadays. No one is going to think that what you are doing, what is happening in your life, वो 1-2 मिनट आपकी लाइफ का मजाक उड़ाएंगे कि यू डिड नॉट नो व्हाट डज दिस मीन, यू डिड नॉट नो द प्रोनाउंसिएशन ऑफ दिस वर्ड. दे विल जस्ट से दीज लाइन्स एंड देन दे विल फॉरगेट द होल थिंग. दैट इज डिपेंडेंट ऑन यू कि आप उसको कितना अपने दिल पे लेते हैं. यू आर गोइंग टू टेक दैट इन द कंस्ट्रक्टिव मैनर और यू आर गोइंग टू टेक दैट इन द डिस्ट्रक्टिव मैनर. सो कंस्ट्रक्टिव वे में लेते हैं तो हम क्या सोचते हैं, ओके डोंट वरी, आई एम गोइंग टू सी द प्रोनाउंसिएशन ऑफ दिस वर्ड, I am going to see the meaning of this word and I am going to correct that during the next time. What will be the destructive sense? Oh no, now what this guy is going to think of me. I am not going to take the speeches after this. I am not going to speak anything in the assembly or anything on the stage now. This is not going to happen. So what you have to do is you have to go on to the constructive side, try to improve yourself. हमारे अंदर स्टेज फियर कब डेवलप होता है, यू नो, व्हेन यू आर नॉट फीलिंग कॉन्फिडेंट अपॉन योर सेल्फ, व्हेन यू थिंक कि लोग क्या सोचेंगे. इफ़ आई प्रोनाउंस दिस वर्ड रॉन्ग, नो प्रॉब्लम, यू शुड जस्ट प्रैक्टिस योर स्पीच प्रॉपरली. यू शुड प्रैक्टिस योर, you know, whatever the topic is given to you properly, then you can speak easily on that. Just feel confident that I am going to speak properly. Just feel that no one is sitting in front of me and no one has anything to do with my life. That is me who is going to think about my life. So when you are going to do that, you are definitely going to speak properly and you will overcome your stage fear. So thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.